Bananas are one of the world's most popular fruits. They're affordable, portable, and packed with nutrients. Whether you're grabbing one for breakfast, tossing it into a smoothie, or slicing it over your cereal, bananas seem like the ultimate can't-go-wrong food. But what if we told you that most people are eating bananas all wrong? From how you peel them to when you eat them, there are common mistakes that could be robbing you of flavor, nutrition, and even digestive comfort. In this article, we'll uncover the top 5 mistakes people make with bananas, backed by science, expert advice, and a dash of global wisdom. By the end, you'll know how to get the most out of every banana you eat, and maybe even impress your friends with your newfound banana expertise. Mistake number 1. Peeling bananas from the wrong end. The common way versus the right way. Most people instinctively peel bananas from the stem, the handle at the top. You pinch the stem, bend it back, and hope it splits open. Sometimes it works, but often you end up squishing the fruit or struggling with stubborn peels. But here's the twist. Monkeys, our primate cousins and banana-eating experts, do it differently. They peel bananas from the bottom, not the stem. Why? Because it's easier, cleaner, and less likely to bruise the fruit. How to peel a banana, like a monkey. 1. Hold the banana with the stem facing down. 2. Pinch the tip at the bottom, the blossom end, between your thumb and forefinger. 3. The skin will split easily. 4. Peel back the skin in sections. This method avoids the stringy bits, phloem bundles, sticking to the fruit and keeps the banana intact. It's also less likely to cause bruising, which can affect both taste and texture. Why it matters. Less mess, no more squished banana tops. Fewer strings. The phloem bundles often come off with the peel. Better presentation. The banana stays whole and attractive, perfect for slicing or serving. Expert tip. If you're making banana-based desserts or serving bananas to kids, this method is a game changer. Mistake number 2. Eating bananas at the wrong ripeness. The ripeness spectrum. Bananas change dramatically as they ripen. A green banana is starchy and firm, while a fully yellow or spotted banana is sweet and soft. Each stage offers different flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles. Green bananas, high in resistant starch, acts like fiber, feeding good gut bacteria. Lower glycemic index, causes a slower rise in blood sugar. Taste less sweet, more potato-like. Yellow bananas, starch converts to sugar. Sweeter taste, softer texture, easier to digest, good for quick energy. Higher glycemic index, raises blood sugar more quickly. Spotted/brown bananas. Very sweet, almost all starch has turned to sugar. Soft, sometimes mushy, ideal for baking or smoothies. Rich in antioxidants. Some studies suggest antioxidant levels increase as bananas ripen. Why ripeness matters. Nutritional impact. If you're watching your blood sugar or want more fiber, green bananas are better. If you need quick energy, like before a workout, ripe bananas are ideal. Digestive comfort. Some people find green bananas harder to digest due to the resistant starch. Ripe bananas are gentler on sensitive stomachs. Culinary uses. Green. Great for frying, like plantains, savory dishes, or adding to salads. Yellow. Perfect for snacking, slicing over cereal, or adding to yogurt. Brown. Best for banana bread, pancakes, or smoothies. Expert tip. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, you may tolerate ripe bananas better than green ones, as the resistant starch in green bananas can cause bloating. Mistake number 3. Throwing away the best parts. The peel, more than just trash. Most people toss banana peels without a second thought. But did you know the peel is edible and packed with nutrients? Nutritional benefits. Fiber. Banana peels are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion. Antioxidants. They contain lutein and other antioxidants that support eye health. Vitamins and minerals. Peels have vitamin B6, B12, magnesium, and potassium. How to eat banana peels. Smoothies. Blend a small piece of washed banana peel into your smoothie for extra fiber. Cooking. In some cultures, banana peels are cooked in curries, stir-fries, or even made into vegan pulled pork. Baking. Finely chop and add to banana bread for a nutritional boost. Important: always wash banana peels thoroughly to remove pesticides or contaminants. Organic bananas are best if you plan to eat the peel. The strings. Phloem bundles. Those stringy bits you often pick off are called phloem bundles. They're not just harmless, they're actually good for you. They contain fiber and nutrients, and help transport nutrients through the banana as it grows. The stem and blossom end. While not typically eaten, these parts can be composted or used in creative ways, like making natural plant fertilizer. Expert tip: if you're adventurous, try making banana peel chutney or adding peels to your next stir-fry. You'll reduce food waste and boost your nutrition. Mistake number 4: storing bananas incorrectly. The ethylene effect. Bananas produce ethylene gas, which speeds up ripening. How you store them can make a big difference in how long they last and how they taste. Common storage mistakes. Storing with other fruits. Bananas can cause nearby fruits, like apples or avocados, to ripen and spoil faster. Refrigerating too soon. Cold temperatures can turn banana skins brown and affect texture. Leaving in plastic bags. Traps ethylene and moisture, leading to rapid spoilage. How to store bananas properly. 1. Room temperature. Store bananas at room temperature, away from direct sunlight and other fruits. 2. Hang them up. Use a banana hanger to keep them off surfaces, reducing bruising and promoting even ripening. 3. Separate from other fruits. If you want to slow ripening, keep bananas away from ethylene-sensitive fruits. 4. Refrigerate ripe bananas. Once bananas are fully ripe, you can refrigerate them. The skin will darken, but the fruit inside stays fresh longer. 5. Freeze for later. Peel and freeze bananas for smoothies, baking, or ice cream. Frozen bananas are a healthy, creamy treat. Ripening bananas faster. If you need ripe bananas quickly, place them in a paper bag with an apple or tomato. The ethylene gas will speed up ripening. Expert tip: if you have too many ripe bananas, slice and freeze them. They're perfect for smoothies or making nice cream. Banana-based ice cream. Mistake number 5: ignoring bananas' role in your diet. Bananas are not just a snack. Bananas are often seen as a quick snack, but they're incredibly versatile and can play many roles in your diet. Nutritional highlights. Potassium supports heart health and blood pressure regulation. Vitamin B6, important for brain health and metabolism. Vitamin C, boosts immunity and skin health. Fiber, aids digestion and helps you feel full. Common misconceptions. Bananas are fattening. Not true. A medium banana has about 105 calories and virtually no fat. Bananas are too high in sugar. While bananas contain natural sugars, they also provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For most people, they're a healthy choice. Bananas cause constipation. Actually, ripe bananas can help relieve constipation due to their soluble fiber. Green bananas, with more resistant starch, may cause constipation in some people. How to incorporate bananas into your diet. Breakfast. Slice over oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or mash onto whole grain toast. Lunch. Add to salads for a sweet twist, or use in wraps with nut butter. Snacks. Pair with nuts or yogurt for a balanced snack. Desserts. Use in baking, make banana ice cream, or dip in dark chocolate. Bananas for athletes. Bananas are a favorite among athletes for good reason. They provide quick energy, replenish potassium lost in sweat, and are easy to digest. Studies show that eating a banana before or after exercise can help prevent muscle cramp. Bananas for special diets. Vegan-vegetarian. Bananas are a staple in plant-based diets. Gluten-free. Naturally gluten-free and safe for celiacs. Low FODMAP. Ripe bananas are low in FODMAPs and suitable for people with IBS. Expert tip: if you're looking to cut back on added sugar, use ripe bananas as a natural sweetener in recipes. Bonus: banana myths busted. Myth 1: bananas are radioactive. It's true that bananas contain potassium-40, a naturally occurring radioactive isotope, but the amount is minuscule and completely harmless. You'd have to eat millions of bananas at once to experience any effects. Myth 2. Bananas are bad for diabetics. Bananas can be part of a healthy diet for people with diabetes. The key is portion control and choosing bananas at the right ripeness. Green or just ripe bananas have a lower glycemic index. Myth 3. Bananas cause weight gain. Bananas are not fattening. They are nutrient-dense, low in calories, and can actually help with weight management by promoting satiety. Global banana wisdom: how the world eats bananas. Bananas are enjoyed in countless ways around the globe. Here are a few unique traditions. India. Banana leaves are used as plates, and both ripe and green bananas are cooked in curries and desserts. Africa. Plantains, a type of banana, are fried, boiled, or mashed as a staple food. Philippines. Turon is a popular snack. Bananas wrapped in spring roll wrappers and fried. Brazil. Bananas are often cooked with cinnamon and sugar as a dessert. Japan. Banana peels are sometimes pickled or candied. Learning from these traditions can inspire you to use bananas in new and exciting ways. Conclusion: eat bananas the right way. Bananas are more than just a convenient snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse, a culinary chameleon, and a fruit with a fascinating global story. By avoiding these common mistakes, peeling from the wrong end, eating at the wrong ripeness, throwing away edible parts, storing incorrectly, and underestimating their dietary value, you can unlock the full potential of this humble fruit. Next time you reach for a banana, remember, peel from the bottom for a cleaner, easier experience. Choose the ripeness that matches your nutritional needs. Don't waste the peel or the strings, get creative. Store bananas properly to maximize freshness and flavor. Embrace bananas as a versatile, healthy part of your diet. With these tips, you'll never eat bananas wrong again. Happy munching!